Marvel Comics, a titan in the world of superheroes, was founded in 1939 by Martin Goodman, originally christened as Timely Comics. Its first foray into the modern comic book genre occurred in June 1961 with Journey into Mystery #69 and Patsy Walker #95. Marvel's signature is its realistic superheroes, characters with human flaws and struggles. Who can forget Spider-Man, Iron Man, or Captain America? Or the Hulk, Thor, Wolverine, and the X-Men? Each one a testament to Marvel's creative genius. Marvel's influence extends beyond the page with the highest-grossing film franchise of all time, the Marvel Cinematic Universe. In 2009, Disney saw its potential and acquired Marvel Comics. Marvel's history is dotted with fun facts. Venom was created by a fan, werewolves were once banned, and Michael Jackson tried to buy Marvel just to play Spider-Man. Dr. Doom inspired Darth Vader, Marvel owned the trademark for zombies, and even Godfather author, Mario Puzo, attempted to write for Marvel. If you enjoyed this glimpse into Marvel's rich history, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Stay tuned for more fascinating facts and stories.